Hindi clear yet?
King, Queen, and where?
From Brunei.
Brunei?
Yeah.
Damn, Brunei! So, Takami, how old are you?
Face open skin.
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you? What? You're a liar. You're lying, I mean. You're lying.
You're lying.
Damn, you're a liar. Goddamn liar. 29?
Yeah.
Oh, show.
Paano naman ganun sa sagay?
You're 29? I thought you were just 18 years old. Yeah. Because you look younger. Sexy. Seductive.
Wild.
Ano? Hindi ako pwede makapagsabi ko kasi.
What? Oh, come on, Kami. I just told you earlier that I can't understand Ilonggo. You know?
Oh, you don't know how to speak with that.
What? Don't speak fast. Can't understand.
You don't know that about
What? What are you saying?
the past in her life?
想我养我，养想我养养养，养我养床，养我想养，养我床。Okay. So 像我养养我。Kami, yo, what's this?
Hi to
Hi, Kuya. Ano to ga? Oh,
Hello.
The Kami just told you earlier that can't understand Ilonggo.
ABS-CBN.
Come on. Yeah?
Because of the Canon headquarters DSL.
Yes.
You cannot just pass
Broadband,
it.
DSL?
Coordinator.
Computer. What's computer?
Computer DSL.
Yes. Oh,
Is headquarters.
Kami, you're smart.
That's smart.
You're smart. Because what's computer? Because what's computer, man? Do you know computer?
You have a subject in MBA.
NPA? No subject NPA at all. No subject NPA. No subject. No subject NPA.
For the first time.
First time in
Iloilo only.
Iloilo only? What sub? Oh, okay. What course is it?
Business.
Business. Monkey business?
No. For the monkey business, owners.
Kami, I like your. How do you call
You
this?
don't know how to read the trespasser.
Kami,
How to die of
frankly
trespasser.
speaking, I like your boobs. You're so seductive. It's like. Okay, I got a friend who knows how to do some tattoo, you know. I'd like to
draw.
put in your chest like Candy's apple. Candy's apples. They are my apples, you know. They're like apples.
There is the apple.
You know, it's like it has to be. It's like you're so damn sexy with your thumb.
And
Like
believe it or not, you know what?
Believe it or not, what's the believe it or not?
Time. You see, you saw in the TV.
Ouch,
on TV.
ouch, sorry.
You saw in the TV. Believe it or not. And that's